I'm going to show you how to use the library database to search for articles for a research paper, and then how to create a works cited page based on those articles. So when you're in Blackboard, go up to the top and click the Library tab. From here, it's going to take you to the library homepage. And over on the left, click Library Resources, and then Databases. You can click either one of these spots. They'll both work and take you to the same place. So once you're on the database page, you can search databases by whatever letter you want. I'll just use the A's, and we will use this one. So now you can search for whatever topic your paper's on. For example, I will just use alcohol abuse as my sample topic and click search. This will bring up all these articles on alcohol abuse. We'll pick just the first one, for example. If you want to read the whole thing, you can click over here for PDF full text. And for whichever ones you decide to use information from, you have to cite them in your works cited page. And it makes it really simple on the library page through these databases, because you just click this button that says cite, and it's all done for you. You just have to find the one that's MLA format, because that's what we're going to be using. And then just start with the author's name and highlight all of it. Whoops, I missed the period. So highlight it all, and we're just going to copy and paste. So we copy it there, and we go to our works cited page. We move back over, and we're just going to paste it in. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure that these bottom two lines are indented. That makes it easier to distinguish which lines go with which source, because you have the author's last name, and then anything that's indented below it is all part of that same work. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight this under paragraph right here. Click this little down arrow. For special, we're going to put hanging. That's going to make a hanging tab, and it's going to indent the bottom lines and keep the top line all the way to the left. And we're going to double space it. Hit OK. And there you go. See, now you know that all these lines below here go with this author up at the top. And you're going to do this for every entry you use. Once you have them all in, you're going to want to make sure that they go in alphabetical order from A to Z by the author's last name. So this one would probably be at the bottom. And it just makes it easier to follow along and find.